Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Mazda BT50 stock number 7015. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front headlight needs polish. Left front aftermarket 16-inch wheel tyre. Aftermarket left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door 1 crease in the corner. Right rear aftermarket 16-inch wheel tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door 3 dents. Right front 16-inch aftermarket wheel tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.